Hi, this is Sonam Kapoor.
And this is Riya Kapoor, and we asked to say we're Bandra Road girls. We really like Bandra Road as a blog, but we are not Bandra girls, we are Juhu girls.
Bandra Road, yeah.
New York.
But I like the Kolhapuri chappals in Bombay are the bomb.
Also, the flea market at the Rose Bowl is amazing in LA.
Riya, we're talking about India. Okay, I don't know that. I love shopping on the street in London as well. So if you go to like Gray's Market and if you go to any of the, they have like these beautiful stalls that they put up sometimes. Notting Hill and stuff like that, they have all these beautiful street vendors that are there. And you get like some of the stuff and then the next week you go, if you keep something aside, that the vendor is not there anymore. Like where did that go? Where did it go? So so you get some great stuff on the streets around everywhere.
The new thing that I really like, which I'm not doing today, but I love layering necklaces. It's my new thing. So I like putting a lot of delicate sort of pieces with harder pieces, more like statement-like pieces. I feel like it gives a feminine sort of edge. So that's something that I've been incorporating a lot. Plus, I really am into wearing jewelry in places that you don't expect, and which is a very sort of street style influenced thing. So I'm going to be trying that out. Cannes has the most amazing shopping because everyone knows that the world descends there, so they make sure that every collection possible of that designer is there. So you can go in and things that
you
you've
go
not
to
been
the
able to
store,
find.
you find the certain things that is sold out everywhere. You find them in Cannes at those designers. It is the most incredible thing. You feel like you're in the mecca of fashion.
Yeah, it's beautiful, but
amazing.
we have no time.
We have no time. Thing to say. I have these Kolhapuri heels that my sister hates, but I love wearing them. You like my Kolhapuri heels?
Yeah, but not with everything.
But I wear them with everything.
Yeah, I like the heels, which is not the
combination. The Kolhapuri chappals with wedges on it. And I saw an auntie wearing
Aunties are cool.
Aunties are cool, and I was just like, okay, I need to have them.
My last street purchase was, I really love me a pair of cheap sunglasses because I feel like you end up sitting on every pair of sunglasses that you own. So
you don't have any cheap sunglasses though.
Yeah, because I lose all of them. That's the point. They like easily lose. Like $4 sunglasses, $5 sunglasses. Those are like my favorite purchases. And plus they're very like trend conscious when it comes to high street brands or like even stuff that sells on the street. So you get stuff that's very current, and then you don't feel guilty about like destroying it, which you do.